Today we will talk about human body, that what exactly human body composed of. So, like how much oxygen does our body contain? Are there more of our own body cells or of bacteria in our body? Our human body contains around 37 trillion cells. This is the percentage we have in our body: 65% oxygen, 18% carbon, 10% hydrogen, 3% nitrogen, and 1.4% of calcium. Make up nearly 96% of the body's mass. The body also contains minerals like calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and iron. Our body contains 65% of water, 20% of proteins, 12% of lipids, and 1% of RNA. Total number of body cells you can see. And our body contains bacteria as well. The body is organized into 11 systems, including circulatory, respiratory, digestive, nervous, and muscular, and more. Bones make up the skeleton, about 206 bones in an adult. Muscles account for nearly 40% of body weight. And approximately 30% in female. We have 4.5 to 5.7 liter of blood as an average in our body. Every second, millions of cells die and are replaced. Together, these components form a complex, self-healing living system.